Hello friends! Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious baked chicken and rice recipe. This is a one-pan chicken meal that is so easy to make. The chicken is flavored with garlic butter. It's so juicy, tender. Paired with a creamy melt-in-your-mouth rice, this recipe is so comforting and perfect for the season. Let's get started. We're going to start by adding some dry rice into a baking pan. Next, we're going to add some chicken broth, some heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, some freshly minced garlic. We're going to season with salt and black pepper, then mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to set the mixture aside. Then we're going to use this mixture of spices to season some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. The spices and all ingredients and measurements used for this recipe will be listed in the description box. Make sure you season both sides of the chicken thighs. Once the chicken is well seasoned, place them into the baking pan with the rice mixture. Next, go ahead and slice up some cold butter and place each slice onto each chicken thigh. The butter will melt over the chicken and deliciously crisp up the skin. Cover the baking pan with aluminum foil. Heat up your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then place this into the oven to bake for 35 minutes. After this has baked for 35 minutes, take off the foil, then let this continue to bake for another 35 to 40 minutes. Here it is when it comes out of the oven. This will make your home smell so good. The chicken is so juicy, tender, and the rice is very creamy and decadent. This meal is so comforting and perfect for fall and winter. You can serve this with some roasted vegetables on the side. I served mine with roasted broccolini. The chicken has some crisp to the skin and the inside is very juicy and tender. The rice is very creamy, soft, and it melts in your mouth. Everything pairs so well together. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements as well as the instruction.